Keep your inner fire alive. Even the coldest night can light your path. अपने भीतर की आग को जलाए रखें. सबसे ठंडी रात भी आपके रास्ते को रोशन कर सकती है. Welcome to Just 5 Lifeguard Series, a space where we reflect, heal, and find strength within. Wishing all Just 5 viewers a very happy Lodi. In today's episode, we will explain the festival of Lodi and its importance. Lodi is more than a festival. It is a reminder that even after the longest winter, a small flame of hope can light up life. Friends, लोहड़ी केवल आग का उत्सव नहीं है. ये हमें याद दिलाती है कि सबसे ठंडी रातों के बाद भी हमारे भीतर की छोटी सी ज्योति, हमारा विश्वास, हमारी उम्मीद, हमारा जीवन फिर से रोशन कर सकता है. Lodi is celebrated every year on 13th January, and in 2026 it falls on Tuesday 13th January. The best time to light the Lodi fire is after sunset, ideally between 5:40 p.m. to 6:10 p.m., depending on your location. This night marks the end of the coldest phase of winters and the beginning of hope, warmth and renewal. संस्कृति और धर्म के अनुसार लोहड़ी की आग अग्नि देव का प्रतीक है, जो हमारी मेहनत, हमारी आशाओं और हमारे दुखों का साक्षी है. The very next day, January 14th, 2026, marks Makar Sankranti, when the sun enters Capricorn, Makar Rashi, and begins its northward journey, Uttarayan. The moment symbolized renewed hope, growth, and positive energy. Now I will move to simple Lodi mantra. During Lodi, you can chant this simple mantra while offering to the fire. Om Agni Devaya Namaha. This simple mantra connects your heart to the divine, reminding you that even a small sincere offering carries great power. On Lodi, Dan giving is more important than celebrations. Give what you can with love. Til and gur for warmth in relationships. Grains, which is a wheat rice, for stability in life. Peanut and ravioli for sweetness after struggles. Clothes and blankets for someone who feels the cold more than you. हर छोटा सा दान सॉफ्टली कहता है, यह केवल मेरा नहीं है, यह जीवन और मानवता के लिए है. In Just 5 Lifeguard series, Lodi carries a quiet but a powerful message. If life felt cold, if struggles went unseen, if hope felt far away, sit by the fire, let go of what weighs you down, offer it to Agni Dev. भय को जला दो, संदेह को जला दो, अतीत की भार को जला दो. Lodi is not just a festival, it is healing, gratitude and renewal. As flames rise, remember, when we share warmth, we receive strength. When we give sincerely, life blesses us in unexpected ways. Keep your inner fire alive, that is the true spirit of Lodi. Friends, इस लोहड़ी अपने भीतर की आग को महसूस करो, अपने डर और संदेह को छोड़ दो और एक नई उम्मीद के साथ जीवन की ठंडी रातों से भी आगे बढ़ो. Celebrate Lodi not only with fire and sweets, but with gratitude, giving and awakening your inner strength. Keep your inner fire alive. Even the coldest night can light your path. अपने भीतर की आग को जलाए रखें. सबसे ठंडी रात भी आपके रास्ते को रोशन कर सकती है. Stay warm, stay inspired. Understanding life, ending struggles and living gently. Just 5 Lifeguard series.